Okay, America, I want you to see what I've been having to deal with. This bird will not go home, wherever its home is. It's like it lives in the bush somewhere. It does that all day. It's a real animal right there. Look at that. Look at that thing. Get out of here. Go home, you're drunk. Yeah, you're gonna get the hell out of here. Damn bird. What the hell are you? Get it, cat. Get it. Ooh, that cat's on the prowl. You think the cat can take it down? Oh, now you're gonna walk off. Now you're gonna shut up and walk off. No, I'm sick of you. You've been bugging me for a while now, okay? You are an ugly little thing. Good night. Look at that. This is a city. Why? Where did you come from? Go home. Go home. Yeah. It probably stinks. Looks like a voodoo face or something. Are you really going to start cacawing right now? When we're in a Mexican standoff, you're going to start cacawing. I suggest you run, sir. Someone's been feeding you. You should be more scared of me, sir. Caw, caw, caw. He's like, wait, is that a bird? Look at it run. Good night. Caw, 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 caw. Is it gonna go up the steps? Go up the steps. Do it. Oh. You're doing all quiet and shit like I can't hear you. You are not slick. You are not slick, pheasant quail. Yeah! 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 Get out of here! Yeah, say yeah! Yeah, say yeah! Yeah! Bye, duck. Duck, bird, quail, pheasant. That damn bird has been on my property. This is evidence of a crime, trespassing and harassment. I'm on to you, Mr. Duck, pheasant, or quail, pheasant, bird, turkey. I'm on to you. If I see any more of this stuff, it's going down. Put out a fucking rat trap or something. Or grow stickers in my yard so your feet get poked when you walk down on it. Yeah, so that bird